Okay, Kabir, can you just repeat the last line? I just got a startup idea when you said it.
Put money in.
I'm before that. Like we were talking about caste system, how to fix that. But we said something.
Which, like, the whole theory of how to do it, or
Yeah,
what?
yeah, the whole theory.
Of solving shit.
Yeah.
Oh, I know the startup idea you got. Don't worry, I know it. I समझ आ गया, co-founder ढूंढने वाला, हाँ समझ आ गया मुझे, टेंशन ना ले तू।
let Kabir give
हो
you
गया।
everything.
तुझे क्या लगता है ब्रो? बड़ा करा है मैंने, स्टार्टअप स्टार्टअप ब्रो कर रहे हैं हम, चिल मार रहे हैं अभी। स्टार्टअप्स के साथ ही काम करता हूँ, मुझे मत
Okay, what do
बता।
you think my idea was?
कि you will build a platform where people can come and pitch ideas and other people can see and join them.
Um, that's like the idea, the extension of my simple idea was to create a simple Instagram page saying we will solve the caste system, make the username, and like post every single idea and create something. If you have any idea, just fill the form, give us the idea, we will read it, and we will create the master plan. And the idea of that organization to solve the caste system.
Oh, you want to do this? You sure you want to do this?
I can provide you content.
I mean, content is not the issue. The thing is, I can make like YouTube things and I can do Instagram and YouTube for it. We
Uh,
have editors. But it's not only caste system. Then we'll have to market ourselves as people who take up famous social issues and ask people to give feedback and provide practical solutions to it.
but see,
Like,
we can do like a nice idea. But first, I think we should focus on this. Then like do it out.
yeah, I'm not
After,
saying that. I'm saying
after
that, I'm saying that, but there are like a ton of issues I want to talk about, like sexual education wala problem,
but
right?
see one problem at a time. I will say one problem at a time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm saying not market ourselves as the caste system revolving guy, but the guys who want to bring a change, and we're starting with the first problem, that's caste system.
That's too much.
No, it's not.
That's
You
too
just
much.
like, no, we just like guys who are first talking about caste system, and then like this is our first idea we're working on, but then later on we can iterate on
No, no,
different
no.
ones.
That's like I really don't like it because like it's take my idea. Like I don't really support that because why I don't support it is to because like not we want to solve this system. We don't care about ourselves. We just want to solve this. After solving this, like after that, we will like okay. After solving this, we want to solve this. And we will
It's
automatically
like a
got called.
marketing.
No, we automatically got called
Yeah.
the guys. I don't want to call myself the bias. Therefore, I want to automatically get called. You solve this. You are the guy who solved problems. I will not say I'm the
Okay,
guy
okay.
who wants to solve problems.
Okay. Agreed. So how do you want to start with it? Like let's do one thing. Like we want to start with it, right? So let's put out videos asking people how should we start with it, and then build it from there to reaching to videos where we do videos and ask people how do you want to solve that problem now that we've started with it.
Uh, uh,
Just hype building, just
but
proper hype building.
yeah, that's the idea. But give me one thing. How I we can like manage like the con. Actually, let's talk like finance. How will we finance it?
Well, we can ask people how will we finance it. Don't you get it? We'll be
Donations.
the boss. Yeah, we can just ask people everything. We can go and crowdfund ourselves. We can tell people to crowdfund us because they'll be pouring in
But
their ideas, and we'll be like,
shit, I know Kabir बहुत कमीन है. I want to just pull one. I think I will not take us one single bit out of it. Not like any form.
why?
No, I really don't. Like I
You
will
know
like.
what? Vishesh, to be honest, you will be making a ton of money out of it, even if you don't.
That's right.
Yeah, exactly. So there's no point taking not taking money out of it. I will.
I will. I'm
See,
just.
even if you don't make
Okay,
money out of it, you will be.
you will be.
हाँ, मुझे बता स्पेसिफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कंटेंट तू भी जानता है कैसे काम करता है और मैं भी.
Nice.
Yeah, because the next time someone calls you, this is the guy that solves problem. Yep, I know what's gonna happen. Don't worry.
Mm.
Actually, yeah, let's do.
Tell me
Let's
one
tell
thing.
people we won't.
I
No,
have a
no, no, no.
request.
I agree with you. I agree with you. We won't take out any money from it.
I want to put one more request.
We'll market it like that. No, no, bro. We'll market it like that we're not taking out any money from it, and we won't take out any money from it.
Yeah.
But we will later.
We will not serious cash take out of it. We will like take everything else except cash. We will take fame. We will take engagement out of it. Yeah. And one more thing. One more request. I want to like call this everything NGO type Mother Foundation.
No,
Please. That's a request.
I can't call. Why do you want to call? What do you want to call it?
Mother Foundation.
Madat.
Yes.
Help.
Yeah.
Ha, sure, sure. I thought something else. Okay,
Uh,
sure.
I why I want to like that's like my entire like dream to create Mother Foundation.
I know. I know.
Like, and I am really like I will be pretty amazing to start with this.
Don't get emotional or bullshit me. Okay, let's fucking start this. Anyways, we have a time at night. We This is the time we discuss things and talk. So nights is gonna be meetings, 3 or 4. We can set up a time at 3 बजे या 4 बजे हम meetings कर सकते हैं. And go ahead with it. Yeah, I think let's
How?
so map out a plan first, devise a strategy. It's simple. We're gonna get crowdfunded for the whole thing. We're not gonna put in a single penny. So, and we're not gonna take out a single penny,
Penny.
okay? As we're putting in any. So, from Madad, we're not gonna take out any single penny. But whatever fames come from Madad, we're gonna take out tons of
Uh,
pennies out of that. So,
Tell me
uh,
the master plan of Vandat in my brain is to like never take out the money, just invest everything,
we're not-
but actually sell our services. Okay, bro. If you want to really help us, buy these services from us, marketing services, and this is the really revenue generator. You can donate us, but those thing really that's what I want to do.
no, that's bad, dude. If I'm doing it from the depth of my heart for no money, then I better not tell them to buy my service. See, listen, content marketing का rule ही है ये, you never tell them to buy. Gary Vaynerchuk never asks anyone to buy from his agency. Have you seen him do it?
Nope. Like
Exactly,
I
but
never
people do
like
it.
okay, let's assume see Mother Foundation is like I will have a lot of people. They will like I have called Mother places like Mother Stan. I want to like open a place when a building like Walmart. The entire building is for you to help. And like I have like designed a master plan for it. So basically like what I want to do is to like let's assume we are helping them of getting like products like clothing. We just take out a commission from that or like make the products ourselves from our different company and sell that like at the different price so the other company can grow, mother can grow.
Okay. I mean, see, the thing is that I'd never, if I'm opening something like a foundation, I'd never like to make money out of it. In like indirectly, fuck yeah, it's coming in, but directly, nahi.
And indirectly, okay. Yeah, indirectly, yes, I will.
Actually, we can make it directly. If we start something like, so what do we do to make a framework against caste system? We get the ideas, we iterate the ideas, we get a team, we build the idea, we sell it to the government. We built it.
Well, the community built it. Everyone who helped out, everyone who like filled up a form will get some money. Everyone who was a keeper.
No, no, they won't.
Okay.
No, they at max I'm gonna give them credits
Okay.
in terms of
No, no, I mean the guys who really let's say some guy come up with amazing plans who he's doing amazing work.
depends. I mean, I can at max give them like equity in like 0.%. Like they're just giving ideas because they want to. It's okay. If we like your idea, we'll feature you on our YouTube channel.
Okay, let's assume we built a master plan. We built a master product. Will it be commercialized by us or in the NGO?
Depends. What is the product? Like just think about this. Okay, तूने मदद फाउंडेशन शुरू किया, right? And I have a whole idea on schooling, right? So we're revolutionizing schooling. I would tell people to pay to come to my school, but we would have sections of people who can't pay, who we will bring in upskill. But the ones who can have to pay, the ones who can't will not.
That's like the problem with like opening an NGO. How will we make like it worth it for our time? Why like from like I really want to fix consider I really want to fix education system. After it's I will get a ton of publicity.
But that's what I'm saying, right? Don't open it up as an NGO. Open it up as an organization which helps people, right? However, the good thing we do is the people who don't have money get our services for free. They can ask for financial aid from us. For example, like Coursera has this thing now where they provide financial aid to the people who can't pay. I think they have something like that. I don't know what happens in that, but they have something like that on Coursera.
But I tell me one thing. What if we make a profit? What if the
Yeah,
NGO?
we will. But that's what I'm saying, right? You don't call it an NGO and you do make a profit.
I am doing
You
this
make
in
a
that.
profit,
I am doing this in
huh?
that, but that thing is a technical issue. If let's assume we get a ton of cash flow, we have to pay tax on that.
I know. I agree. But that's when you keep Madad Foundation, not an NGO, and you open up a separate NGO where you just help people who cannot pay, and they through that NGO come to your school, and then you pay that NGO. Done. You convert all your black money into white money by paying to an NGO. What do you think NGOs are? Why do you think they're funded like fuckers? Because that's the way to save on taxes. And also, if you want to save on tax, just put your money into real estate. It's okay. Also,
I
if you want to save on tax, does a company pay tax? Does an individual does? I guess companies pay tax too, right?
yeah, complicated. Corporate tax.
No, hold on.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, man, I have researched it too.
Right, but the company pays. Yeah, so we can just make shell companies, put our money in Cayman and done.
So see, the problem
I
is this.
mean,
Like the problem, we are like similar person and we think similar and are basically think, okay, we need to solve this, but we need money back. And there's we both
so
think,
yeah,
yeah, that's right.
what's the problem in that?
They
What's the
no,
problem in that?
that's the problem with that. Like
You don't want money to solve a
no, no, no,
problem.
no,
What the
no, no,
fuck?
no, 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 no. I want money. I said I am like you. I just 1 second. Um, mm,
Dude, we should only help people who
one
can't
second.
afford shit. The ones who can,
Yeah, see, listen. So, I like you. I know exactly what you're saying, and I mean it. Actually, I am like you. I want to get money, to be honest. But we need to a way so we can take out the money without causing something bad, and that's hard.
without what? Without?
Without causing something bad.
How will we cause something bad?
Uh, I mean, let's assume Bhaba ka Dhaba. We got a lot of Bhaba ka Dhaba got what do you call it? Scammed. just because like it was like
So Baba Ka Dhaba wasn't a scam. The thing that was a scam was the guy who marketed Baba Ka Dhaba. He took a lot of money out of it. Now, what we are doing is not that. We are creating a genuine product, right, that the masses can use. However, the people who cannot afford our product, we're going to give it to them for free.
so will it be a NGO or a private limited?
Private limited. It's not going to be an NGO. You can start an NGO on the side called Madad. You can use your money, not pay taxes. Either put your money there or put it in a shell company somewhere. I prefer the
Okay,
shell company option for
tell me one thing. What do you want to call the core company?
Kinjan Kabir.
Nice idea. I want to open a company called Kinch Corp, and I am actually registering it. Like in 6 months, I will have the papers. It will be based in like Atlanta, Georgia.
But it should be Kinjan Kabir, not Kinj Kaur.
No, no, Kinch Corp is just mine. Kinch Corp is us 50-50 venture. But like now, one more problem came. I want mother to be my own. No, not like under Kinch Kabir.
So that's going to be an issue because you want to start Madad with me and then you don't want me to have a 50% stake in it.
I want to start like mother as a like individual thing where like, there is no like equity.
Then how does that work? Because then why should I be participating in it? Then what's the thing that I'm taking out of it?
Kinch
If I
Kabir,
don't even have to have a co-founder for
you are the
Madad.
co-founder. But the thing is, you can take everything out of like, yeah, you can, but I want like this is my how I structure. Kinchcorp can have like multiple shareholder, can have anything. Under Kinchcorp, there will be Mother Foundation, and Mother Foundation will be like King's NGO. Whatever Kings make, it will donate a simple portion to it, and Mother will publicize. Okay, we are a part of Kinch, and it will be like that. And I want Kinch to be like, see, here's my the
विशेष
biggest
तेरा
plan.
पूरा नाम क्या है?
Yeah,
तेरा पूरा नाम क्या है?
Vishesh, Kinch Vishesh.
No, what's actually your full name?
Man, this is recording.
Let's fuck the recording.
Okay.
Stop it.